It's like
गलती हो गई.
something I feel, I like to call myself the Basanti. I don't know that a lot of people here might not have seen. Hello everyone, this is Lang and this is my, maybe I'm continuously making my videos. You can track me, you can analyze that if I'm literally doing making videos or not. It's all about your thoughts. But if you are really wanting to improve your communication, your English, so you can just check me out that if I'm really uh, I'm truthful for you and it's just a reality for you and all of this. But the thing is, I'm continuously making videos about this conversation and any kind of topic which I have and which I just inputting myself in from notes and anything from the like YouTube, like Insta, podcast, something like that. But right now, what I'm doing is I'm just copying after him. He just is speaking, is telling about something like storytelling and in English. So I'm just copying it what he's saying. So follow me up till then and watch me up till then and follow me for more such kind of videos. So let's start. Which has a wonderful character called Basanti. So Basanti is a great dancer. I call myself Basanti. When I was seeing money, become Mazda. I go and dance like a Basanti. And Basanti makes me decent money and decent money. Okay, she makes a decent money. She just making money because she's a good dancer. Maybe people are good ties and for me the dancing is like a telling stories. I feel like just a human being just chased money and almost every aspect of my life is just one thing and wherever I go and it's just a storytelling and that is the only thing I how to do well. And how I know I only know how to tell a story. I know this because and this is very personal to me. Personal to me. This you know why? But I can tell you back in my intro words that I still remember. I remember that being only medium that I have, telling the world what I'm actually felt. It was a story. I never had a confide and I never had a confide them. I never had a friend to confide them. It's just a story. I used to tell the words how to feel accurate character and near environmental. And I used to tell the stories of those characters and tell you my stories and through my character, and that was I storytelling time. That's how I feel. That kind of impact and kind of my life helped me to work of the best people you like have, and just like Rasmani, all of no, just like
गलती हो गई.
work with the best people. Just the persons like Rasamali and most of the person. I apologize for the guys. Yeah, all of us we know the Rasamali is a great podcast in the country and help me work the light for the for all across the world and work with the people that I did. I never food people have been honored to me. Monarch Faruqi, Ranveer Alabadi as well, and a lot of these people they get me but so friend and feel only being to do that being able to see through storytelling that I can translate whatever the idea they had and convert into vision master into for truth, and that's what exactly we're going to talk about. How to about a great storyteller, Monarch Faruqi.